Okay, have some beautiful fresh cacas or clams. So first thing, a little bit of coconut oil. Now it's all about tempering my Indian spices. I have some cumin seeds and then some fennel seeds for a little bit of sweetness to play off the jita or cumin, and some coarsely chopped peppercorns. I love fresh curry leaves. Mix that up. You want to splatter. You're tempering everything. Add some onions, some garlic, and some ginger, and that's gonna be your flavor base. A little bit of red chili. Now I'm gonna add some turmeric and some coconut, freshly grated coconut. So I'm just gonna toast this so all the flavors kind of come together. And now in goes the fresh caca or clams. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of fresh coconut milk just to help kind of bring all those flavors together. A little bit of sal, some salt. Almost done. I'm just going to add in some fresh green chilies and a little hit of freshness, coriander. Just gonna let it steam for about 5 minutes and it's done. Ooh, good.